I am pleased to extend to all of you the warm welcome of the Filipino people.
Lapit mga kaibigan at makinig kayo. Ako'y may dala-dalang balita galing sa bayan
na tunay na lahat tayo ay pantay-pantay,
ang mga kwento at mga
mayaman man o mahirap. Tigi-tigisa lang tayo ng boto, kaya yon ay sagrado!
Ang lupang pinanggalingan ko'y may bahin ng dugo. May mga lorong di makalipad na sa hawlang ginto. May mga punong walang dahon, mga pusong di makakibo sa mga pangyayaring nagaganap sa lupang pinangako.
got CDs, tapes, and videos, radio and TV shows, conferences, retreats, and seminars. We got books and magazines to read on everything from A to Z, and a web to surf from anywhere we are. But I hope with all this information buzzing through our brains, and we will not let our hearts forget the most important thing. It's love, 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 love. It's all about love, 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 love. Everything else comes down to this, nothing any higher on the list than love. It's all about love. And now they're fighting in the Middle East, and they're fighting down on 7th Street, and there are fights in my own.
In this generation, living a 100% pure lifestyle is very difficult. But through constant prayer, being 100% pure can become a reality.
Being 100% pure is living a life suited for God. We have to be like children, as the Bible says. Only children can enter God's kingdom. And becoming like children, we have to be innocent. And to be innocent, we must have pure thoughts, pure words, and pure actions.
Being 100% is living a life with moral integrity and having pure thoughts, actions, and words in complete accordance with grace. It is actually a lifestyle of pure values and
Jesus, I believe in
son of God.